What's going on, folks? Chad Boyle, eXp Realty, Atlanta, Georgia. So just wanted to talk about real estate business, and are you creating a business or are you creating a job? I know for me, I've been my real estate sales business about a year and a half old, maybe a little bit older. Um, so far, I've created a job for myself, and so what I need to do is continue to down this path. Of course, hey, we have to make a living, right? But I really need to start thinking about how do I transition this to a real business, something that can operate whether I'm here or not, something that's going to generate money, whether I'm on the phone or having open houses, implementing the systems into the business so that it's a true business and not just a job for me. So I ask you guys, are you creating a job or are you creating a business? And if all you want's a job, that's awesome. But if you want more than that, financial freedom, I think then creating the business is the way to go. So thanks, guys. Just wanted to share this quick video. Have a great day.